So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS TECH. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, today I'll be going to unbox the wireless charger. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first I'll open the Amazon packet. I bought this for 2000 rupees. So guys, let me open the wireless charger. So guys, here is the, let's remove the Amazon seal first of all, and here is the charger which is out and the Amazon packet, and here is the charger beam 2 SKYVK beam 2, you can see. So guys, this is the box specifications, and this is the fast charger, let me tell you. And let's check out the seal real quick without wasting any further time. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like, share and click the bell icon to be notified. And here is the wireless charger. The box is, I think, not that much broken. Okay, I don't know why is this. And here is our wireless charger, and we'll test it right now. Here's the wireless charger, the micro USB to charge the wireless charger, and a thumbs up. Like, let's read it. Hi there, we thank you for your order. Product reviews from awesome customers like you help others to feel confident about choosing SKYVIK2. Could you take a few moments to share your experiences in the form of product review? Please go to your order history and share your opinion. It helps us a lot to serve you better. Lots of love, team SKYVIK. Thank you. What is this, guys? So guys, for going. So guys, the MRP is 1950, that is almost 2000 rupees. Thank you for buying. Okay, and the warranty card, I think. Here's the user manual and the warranty card. No need to read them. And let's come back to the charger. Let me open the charger real quick, and the seal is now open, and I think a knife, a bit better. Sharp knife. It's not coming out. Okay. So guys, it's out now. Here is our wireless charger. And let's keep the box aside. We'll close the box. So guys, this is the box, and you will get it like this, and you can pack it just like this. You keep it here, and here is the cable. Let's open the cable and test the charger. Let me open the cable real quick. So guys, if you want to buy this, I'll give the link in the description, the Amazon buy link. The sale is going on. I think this was for 3000 something, and now for 2000 only. And here's the cable. Let's use the cable. I'll tell you how to operate it. You take this micro USB cable, and you have to plug it into here, just like this, and then no adapter, guys, as you can see. Is there any adapter? Like, no. Let us check. No adapter. So I'll get my adapter. Wait guys, let's see. Let's check it out. So guys, here is the photonics charger, the adapter, and now I'll use it. Wait, let me put it. So guys, this is connected to this, and now I'll plug it in my charging port, and it's now on. We'll first check the S10. First check the wireless charging in the S10, the fast charging. I think we have to enable it first. Let's check let me check if it is on or not. And wait guys, now I think it is on, right? Light. Now let's check the iPhone XS first, and so guys, as you can see, the fast charger is working fine. 27% charge, and You can see it's charging. Let me show you again. 1, 2 and 3. See guys, it's charging. Let's check the extension. It is also charging guys. So guys, these both phones, it can charge any device which has enabled wireless charging. So guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe to YouTube channel, and bye.